It is not acceptable to tap off an oven appliance cord to feed a separate receptacle for the overhead microwave above the oven range unit. This is a violation of the National Electrical Code. Article 422.16b2 states that separate circuits are required for appliances with nameplate ratings of 1380 watts or more. Article 422.17e states that microwave ovens must be provided with a separate, individual branch circuit. Appliances with high power consumption like ovens and microwaves require dedicated circuits to handle their current draw safely. Using a single circuit for multiple appliances can overload the circuit, causing overheating and potential electrical hazards. Microwave ovens generate electrical interference that can affect other appliances on the same circuit. The correct wiring method is to run a dedicated circuit specifically for the microwave oven. This circuit should be protected by a circuit breaker or fuse size according to the microwave's nameplate rating. The microwave should have its own receptacle connected to this dedicated circuit. Tapping off the oven appliance cord to feed the microwave can have serious consequences, including circuit overloads, leading to overheating and potential electrical fires, damage to the oven or microwave, voided appliance warranties, and insurance claims being denied in the event of an electrical incident. Firstly, let's discuss Article 422.16b2. This section of the National Electrical Code clearly stipulates that appliances rated at 1380 watts or higher must have their own dedicated circuits. This requirement is in place to ensure electrical safety and prevent overloading circuits. Consider a typical oven. Ovens often have high power ratings, easily exceeding the 1380 watt threshold. When an oven is operating, especially during preheating or self-cleaning cycles, it draws a significant amount of current. If you were to tap into the oven's circuit to power another appliance, such as a microwave, you're essentially asking that single circuit to handle the combined current draw of both appliances. This can very quickly lead to an overload. Circuit overloads occur when the amount of current flowing through a circuit exceeds the circuit's capacity. Circuit breakers and fuses are designed to triple blow when an overload occurs, cutting off the power and preventing damage to the wiring and connected appliances. However, repeatedly overloading a circuit can weaken the circuit breaker or fuse, potentially causing it to fail prematurely. It also creates a risk of overheating the wiring, which can melt insulation and create a fire hazard. Secondly, let's address Article 422.17e, which specifically addresses microwave ovens. This section mandates that microwave ovens must be supplied by a separate, individual branch circuit. This requirement is even more stringent than the general rule for appliances over 1380 watts. The reason for this dedicated circuit requirement for microwaves is multifaceted. Microwaves are known for their intermittent but high current draw. During operation, a microwave's power consumption can fluctuate significantly as it cycles on and off to maintain the desired cooking temperature. These fluctuations can create voltage dips in the circuit, which can negatively affect other sensitive electronic devices connected to the same circuit. Additionally, microwave ovens often generate electrical noise and interference that can disrupt the operation of other appliances, particularly those with sensitive electronic components. By requiring a dedicated circuit for microwaves, the National Electrical Code aims to minimize these potential problems and ensure the reliable and safe operation of both the microwave and other appliances in the home. Considering the reasons for separate circuits, it's essential to understand why high-power appliances demand dedicated circuits to manage their current draw safely. Ovens and microwaves, being prime examples of such appliances, require a substantial amount of electrical power to function correctly. When multiple high-power appliances share a single circuit, the risk of overloading that circuit increases dramatically. Overloading not only poses a threat of overheating and electrical fires, but can also lead to voltage drops. These voltage drops can cause appliances to operate inefficiently or even damage their internal components over time. Moreover, microwave ovens are notorious for generating electrical interference that can affect other devices connected to the same circuit. This interference can manifest as disruptions in audio or video equipment, data loss in computers, or erratic behavior in other electronic appliances. By isolating the microwave on its own circuit, you can minimize the potential for this interference to impact other devices. The correct wiring method always involves running a dedicated circuit specifically for the microwave oven. This approach ensures that the microwave has access to the necessary power without jeopardizing the safety or performance of other appliances. This dedicated circuit should be protected by a circuit breaker or fuse that is properly sized according to the microwave's nameplate rating. The nameplate rating provides crucial information about the microwave's electrical requirements, including its voltage, amperage, and wattage. Using this information, you can select the appropriate size circuit breaker or fuse to protect the circuit from overloads and short circuits. The microwave should also have its own individual receptacle connected to this dedicated circuit. This receptacle should be of the appropriate type and rating for the microwave's plug, ensuring a secure and reliable electrical connection. It's crucial to avoid using extension cords or multi-outlet adapters, as these can create additional points of failure and increase the risk of overheating. By following these guidelines, you can ensure that your microwave is properly wired and operates safely and efficiently. There are significant consequences associated with incorrect wiring. Tapping off the oven appliance cord to feed the microwave can lead to a cascade of problems, each with potentially serious implications. Circuit overloads are among the most immediate and dangerous consequences. As previously discussed, overloading a circuit can cause the wiring to overheat, melt insulation, and ultimately ignite a fire. Electrical fires can spread rapidly, causing extensive damage to your home and endangering the lives of its occupants. In addition to the risk of fire, incorrect wiring can also damage the oven or microwave itself. Voltage drops caused by overloaded circuits can stress the appliance's internal components, leading to premature failure or costly repairs. In some cases, the damage may be so severe that the appliance is irreparable. Furthermore, tapping into an existing appliance circuit can void the warranties on both the oven and the microwave. Appliance manufacturers typically specify that their products must be connected to properly wired circuits that meet all applicable electrical codes. If you violate these requirements by improperly wiring the appliances, you may lose your warranty coverage, leaving you responsible for any repair or replacement costs. Finally, in the event of an electrical incident caused by incorrect wiring, your insurance company may deny your claim. Insurance policies often contain clauses that exclude coverage for damages resulting from faulty or non-compliant electrical work. If your home suffers a fire or other electrical damage due to improper wiring, you may be left to bear the financial burden of the repairs yourself. In conclusion, tapping off an oven appliance cord to power a microwave is not only a violation of the National Electrical Code but also a dangerous practice that can have severe consequences. It is crucial to adhere to the NEC requirements for dedicated circuits for high-power appliances, ensuring the safety and reliability of your electrical system and protecting your home and family from potential hazards. Always consult with a qualified electrician to ensure that your electrical wiring meets all applicable codes and standards. Ignoring these requirements can have dire consequences, including electrical fires, appliance damage, voided warranties, and denied insurance claims. Taking the time to wire your appliances correctly is an investment in your safety and peace of mind.